Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert and customize rule lines and grid lines in OneNote. This is actually quite simple. First I open OneNote and here we already find grid lines that I have created for another tutorial. To activate and edit these lines we switch to the View tab and find the Rule Line button here. If I click on it I can activate and deactivate rule lines. I can also use the drop-down menu to choose from ready-made selections of rule lines and grid lines, for example these. I can also adjust the color of the rule lines and grid lines, and for this tutorial I will choose a bright orange. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.